Day 45 of the election fraud trial continued on Tuesday before Acting Chief Magistrate Faith McGusty. On Monday, prosecution witness Bibi Anieshaw Mohamed testified about a live broadcast involving former Chief Election Officer Keith Lowenfield on June 23, 2020. She explained that the broadcast included the observation report and a declaration of total votes that Lowenfield prepared and delivered. According to Mohammed, Lowenfield made two declarations, and the figures presented did not match the statements of poll or statements of recount in her possession. Mohammed told the court she wished to refer to a spreadsheet contained in her witness statement, noting that a large amount of data made it necessary. Defense attorneys UC Anderson and Dexter Todd then questioned whether the recording of the broadcast Mohammed referenced had been formally entered into evidence. They told the court that no such broadcast appeared in the disclosure. The prosecution responded that flash drives containing the recordings were prepared and handed over to the defense. Anderson, however, maintained that certain materials were still not disclosed. During Tuesday's proceedings, the prosecution insisted that full disclosure had already been made. However, given a long-standing dispute over disclosure, they submitted a list to the court so the defense could verify what was received and determine if anything remains outstanding. In light of the defense request and the court's decision to accommodate the process, the matter was adjourned to November 26 for continuation of Mohammed's testimony. 9 individuals are currently before the court in connection with the March 2020 general and regional elections. Among the accused are former Region 4 returning officer Clement Mingo, former Chief Elections Officer Keith Lowenfield, and former Deputy CEO Roxanne Myers. Also charged are former PNCR chairperson Valda Lawrence, PNCR activist Carl Smith Joseph, and GCOM staff members Sheffrin February, Enrique Lyfan, Mitchell Miller, and Dennis Bob Cummins. The charges arise from investigations into alleged attempts to manipulate the 2020 elections result. In total, the defendants face 19 conspiracy-related charges, and the prosecution has indicated it intends to call approximately 73 witnesses during the trial. Tiana reporting for the HGP Nightly News.